and today I'm going to share with you 3 packages that were on my front porch today. Here's one. To Jonah from... Okay, this one doesn't have a name, but this person does like Amazon Prime. A box. I'm thinking it's going to be some sort of kit. Oh, I think I know what this is. It's a seam ripper. Because I have a crochet friend named Ave, and she's trying to teach me a new craft called hairpin lace loom, and these are very useful for that. And then there's a little pair of scissors for that, and a tape measure, which you can never have too many of. And of course, there's this cute little bag to hold all of your supplies in. This is a really cute gift kit. Thank you so much, Ave. And now, for my next gift that was on my porch today. Okay, to Jonah from Kim in the great state of New York. She sent us a letter. See what's inside. Jonah, I have a few things I want you to have because I know you will put them to good use. This is the first box with the round loom set. The other loom set will come when I find the box. I will also be sending you yarn in upcoming months as I simplify and go through my stash. I must tell you that I started back into my crocheting because of your inspiration. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, Kimberly. That was a really nice letter and I'm just gonna thank you for writing such a kind letter. Thank you so much. And now for the loom. You know, this is a different kind of crochet too. I haven't done this kind yet. So there's 4 different loom sizes, as you can see, and they're all separate. And I've seen a video for it, and you kind of like wrap the yarn around the pegs, and I need to try that craft out too. I haven't done it yet. And then it comes with this cute little lime green hook and a tapestry needle. And now for the 3rd package. Oh, this one's heavy. Okay, so this one is to me from, doesn't have a name, but it's from North Carolina. I do have a couple crochet friends from there. Let's see what we have here. Lion brand Wool Ease Thick and Quick. Wow, this is a beautiful color. It's called Purple Martin, and it's this green, but it has these vibrant, beautiful streaks of purple in there, and the yarn makeup is 80 acrylic and 20 wool. With this yarn, I love to make hats and mittens. It's my favorite thing to do with Lion brand Wool Ease Thick and Quick. Thanks. Fettuccine yarn. I've never actually seen this yarn before. In the color Assorted, 100% undetermined fibers. This is good because it doesn't have too much stretch, and I could probably make a market bag. And this color fits my sister. I really enjoy this yarn, and I've never used it before, and I need to use it. And we have, wow, I have never seen anything like this before. It's kind of like the new loop yarn, except for it's not loop yarn. It's like a normal strand of yarn, and it's in these vibrant red, yellow, orange shades, just like my sunset afghan. And it's so beautiful. This must be quite warm. I'm gonna keep this yarn. I'm gonna keep my project that I make with this to myself. And here's another one of them in a beautiful color called Lime Truffle, and it has earthy colors and aqua colors, and it's really nice in general, and it's plush and squishy. That's a that's a nice yarn. Another fettuccine. This one it's gray with little specks of black in it. That's a nice color. I would like something of this. Wow, I'm gonna use that really soon. And okay, this stuff is really cool. I'm not even sure I know what it is really. So I think it's a really thin yarn, but it looks thicker since it has all these feathers attached to it. And it's in these beautiful Christmas colors, and it just looks like a bundle of feathers. And then I have two, so I can make something bigger. A scarf would be really nice with this. And we have Stitch Studio's yarn, this very soft plush yarn. It's kind of like velvet in these neutral, light, dark colors. And the color is called Black Wish. And it's a size 5, and it's very nice. I really like this yarn. And I'm probably going to make something that for a seasonal color. Not sure what I'm going to make, but I really love how the colors transition. Here's a transition. It doesn't fade. It just goes from one color to another color. It's a very nice color transition. And then, whoa, we have a candy shop cake in the color Jelly Bean. If you look at it from this way, it kind of does look like a jelly bean. These are some very beautiful colors. Well, those are really nice, and they're soft too. It's a nice size 4. That means I can use it on a lot of things. This amazes me. It's just like the yarn that you use to make baskets. It has the cord kind of inside, then it has the yarn that runs through and over again, and it is a size 6 weight in this beautiful pink color that is called Flamingo. That's a really nice yarn. And I have some Bernat Softy Chunky in the color Eucalyptus. Wow. Those are some nice patterns on the front there. I might be making those sometime soon. And then we have some very, very interesting Red Heart Soft. This is a nice color. It's quite soft, kind of like Red Heart Soft. This was some really amazing yarn and kits and everything I've gotten today, and I just wanted to thank everybody so much for sending these to me. And make sure to stay tuned for when I put out some tutorials. Goodbye and crochet away!